Hi guys, come join with me to our Team Padayon Team Building 2025. This time, we are going to Tanay and Camsilas. So if you're planning to go there via commute, well, this video is for you. So going to Tanay, we did amazing race game to have a different commute experience. And sad to say, talo kami. So from IPI, sumakay kami ng jeep going to Antipolo and baba kami ng Kapitolyo for 30 pesos. Pero if may Tanay na jeep guys, doon na kayo sumakay. So no cutting trip na yun. From Kapitolyo, sumakay kami ulit ng jeep going to Jollibee Tanay for 45 pesos. Then pagbaba namin ng Jollibee Tanay, sumakay kami ulit ng tricycle going to Tanay Daraitan for 500 pesos. Guys, much better na i-ask nyo muna yung tricycle driver kung magkano yung pamasahe kasi iba-iba yung naging fare ng bawat team namin. Pagdating namin sa Daraitan, sumakay kami ng balsa for 10 pesos para tumawid ng ilog. Since alam naman namin na talo na kami sa race, we decided na maglakad na lang going to camp. Marami kayong pwede mapagtanungan guys since very approachable at mababait naman ang mga nakatanay. So all in expenses namin is 335 per head, 7 to 800 is good for back and forth. All in all, we had the best team building experience so far. It was full of adventure, tears, and fun. Thank you, Sheng, for inviting me and treat me as part of the team. Kudos to Hazel Nicolar for such a good organizer. To the best chefs, Carlo Masinas, Emma Giselva, and myself, we did great. Special mention to our VG cutters, Ryan, Honey, Army, and Lane. To our wood and fire creator, Kevin and Armin. Thank you all for giving such a wonderful warm moment. Now, let's enjoy the other ganap sa team building. Enjoy guys!
Di ba nilalamig kayo? Ito.
Rin kasi ang pagpapit. Tapos dito sa X, ito,
Wala na si Dex. Late ka, nasa disat ka. Wala si Kevin.
Game. Dinang. 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 Dinang.
Tama yan. Lisa! Yay! Maraming sarap! Congratulations! Oh, bakit na kami? Lisa, kaya to! Kaya to! Oh. So guys, ayun tapos na yung team building namin. Hindi kami lasing, nakainom lang. Walang score na nangyari. Kumaur na pero hindi naka-score. 0-0-0.